Hello friends, welcome to my channel pktecheducational. Today we will discuss about Pgtrb computer science la 2022 February 20ல கேட்டிருக்க क्वेश्चन தான் நம்ம ரிவிஷன் பண்ண போறோம். Question number 1. With the help of dash memory we can reduce the memory access time. Correct option B, cache. Second one, which of the following is a volatile memory? Correct option B, RAM, random access memory. Third, name the component that is used to resolve the differences that exist between central processing unit IO devices. Correct option D, interface units. System bus connects the major components of a computer using. Correct option A, data bus, address bus and control lines. Fifth one, the memory that holds a copy of the most frequently used instruction is. Correct option A, cache memory. Sixth one, which of the following operating system that supports multiple users along with the built-in networking capabilities, the ability to run multiple tasks at one time? Correct option B, Unix. Seventh question, dash manages the execution of user program to prevent errors and improper use of computer. Correct option C, control program. Eighth one, which system in memory management is comparatively less damaging than in other type multi-programming systems? Correct option A, real-time system. Ninth question, dash is the term given to a system that may have several processes in states of execution at the same time. Correct option B, multi-programming. Tenth one, which data structures can be used for buffering? Correct option C, queue. 11th one of the fundamental model of inter-process communication. Correct option B, message passing. 12th, dash is the simplified Boolean functions x plus x dash y colon. Correct option B, x plus y. What is the complement of the function f dash equal to x of y dash z dash plus y z close bracket? The correct answer C, x dash plus of y plus z of y dash plus z dash. 14th, 2-4-2-1 code is. Option D, both weighted and self-complementary. 15th one, the exclusive or is otherwise dash of input word. Correct option D, an odd function and is one for odd, one is. 16th, any product corresponding to a cell of a kernel map differs only B, one variable is dash, left and right adjacent both row wise and column wise. 17th, what are the two features which depicts the same idea? Encapsulation and abstraction. 18th, which input device is used to work on flat surfaces? Correct option A, tablets. 19th, Which one is the postfix notation? Correct option C. AB plus CD minus slash minus. 20th. In C++, which header file is used to contain functions for manipulating data in the standard library containers? Correct options A. Algorithm. 21. Which of the following allows a new class to be based on an existing class? Correct option C. Inheritance. 22. The following operator cannot be overloaded. Correct option D. Class member access operator. 23. The classes use the concept of data abstractions. They are known as, correct option C, abstract data type. When an operator is overloaded, its original meaning is, correct option C, not lost. The existing class can be reused by, correct option C, inheritance. 26th. The defined inside the class are treated as inline function. Correct option B, member functions. 27th. A class can contain more than one constructor with different number of arguments are called constructor overloading. 28. Constructor should be declared in dash section. Correct option A, public. 29th. We cannot overload dash operator. Correct option C, size of operator. 30th. Dash means one name, comma, multiple forms. Correct option C, polymorphism. 31. And dash is one that is not used to create objects. Correct option B, abstract class. 32. C++ compilers has an dash which create objects even though it was not defined in the class. Correct option C, implicit constructor. 33. In C++, when an address of the object is passed as functions arguments is called dash. Correct option A, pass by reference. 34. Which one is function polymorphism is oops? Correct option B, function overloading. 35. To remove a relation from a SQL database, the command used is, option B, drop. 36. Dash eliminates all redundancy that can be discovered based on functional dependency. Correct option D, Bayes code normal form. 37. Key attributes are required to be not null and unique. Correct option C, primary key. 38. A relation scheme is should to be in first normal form if the values in the domain of, correct option A, each attribute of the domain are atomic. 39th. Duplication of data is called redundancy. 40th. Which of the following parameter not involved in performance analysis of algorithm? Correct option B, count. 41. Which is the more suitable software for financial accounting? Correct option C, Tally. Which of the following is ensured using validation rules? Correct option B, data integrity. 43. In a database, a translation from one schema to another is called, correct option C, mapping. 44. What is the ability of a system to undo something which has been done? Called. Correct option D, error recovery. 45. In a DBMS, referential integrity means which of the following? Correct option is A. A condition in which for one entity to exist, a second entity must also exist. 46. In an operational system, data is usually keep it at option D, lowest level. 47. The two attributes required in tag A, anchor tag A, for linking to another place in the same page or another web page is option A, hyperlink reference, href and name. 48. What attributes should be added in the operating opening tag of order list to start a list from 10? Correct option B. OL start equal to double quotes 10. 49. Menu and dir tags is list elements are treated as a/an unordered list. 50th. Name the tag of HTML which always stays at that place and while scrolling through a web page it does not move on the screen and it generally contains the organization logo or its name and motto. Correct option C, banner. Close tag la banner. 51th. Of the three form elements available in HTML, which element allows user to enter more than one line of text and submit their commands? Correct option D, text area. 52. In HTML document, which is the ideal section if you wish to execute a JavaScript, when a page loads? Correct option A, head tag. 53. In Photoshop, auto blend layers can be applied only on option A, RGB or grayscale images. 54. Fill opacity affects only dash that resides on the layer. Photoshop la. Correct option B, pixels or shapes. 54. 55. What is the number of kilobytes for a 300 into 300 pixelized color images with a bit depth of 24 bits? Correct option 263.67 KB. Correct option D. 56. The shortcut key is select all the layers between the currently active layer and the bottom layer in Photoshop is Alt plus Shift plus comma minus. 57. A given signal has frequencies of 3125 MHz, 635 MHz, 2000 MHz and 7000 MHz. Determine the bandwidth of the signals. Correct option C, 6365 MHz. 58th question. A periodic signal completes one cycle in 10 microsecond. What is the frequency? Correct option D, 1 MHz. 59th. A bus topology has a dash line connection. B, multi-point connection. 60th, a device which creates same collision domain. Correct option C, hub. 61, what is the purpose of placing terminators at each end of a bus topology? Correct option C, to absorb the signal. 62, devices on one network can communicate with devices on another network via a option B, gateway. 63, dash hides the IP address of client stations in an internal network by presenting one IP address to the outside world. Correct option D, network address translation. 64, serial transmission rate is specified in, correct option A, bits per second. 65, what is the expansion of ARPA? Correct option C, Advanced Research Project Agency. 66, frequency is the rate of change with respect to, correct option B, time. 67th, where is the operand placed in immediate addressing? Correct option A, in the instruction. 68, in register addressing mode, comma, the operands are supplied from, correct option C, data registers. 69, what is the operations code for a register's references instructions? Correct option A, opcode 111 with 0 in the leftmost bit. 70th, floating point numbers can be used to represent, correct option C, both very small and very large numbers. 71, dynamic loading is, correct option A, loading a routine only when it is required. 72, a consumable resource have dash number of identical units. Correct option C, unbounded. 73, the dash contains the base address of each page in physical memory. Correct option C, page table. 74th, the process of requesting resource to temporarily release all the resource it currently holds first break dash condition, hold and wait condition, option A. 75, swapping is also called as, correct option C, technique for memory compaction. 76, a decoder is a combinational circuit that converts binary information from n input lines to maximum of dash unique output lines. Option B, 2 power n. 77, which logic circuit switches the digital data from several input lines into